Narcan.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Narcan.
Where is it?
On July 26, 2025, Berkeley County Sheriffs Leon and Kristen Riddle collapsed during a suspect search after handling a fentanyl-laced dollar bill without gloves. Colleagues gave her 2 Narcan doses. She recovered after hospitalization. Sheriff claims life-threatening exposure. However, experts, ACMT UC Davis, debunk skin absorption causing overdose. It's a myth. Likely a panic attack from fear, not fentanyl. Suspect faces charges.
Give me a minute.
Narcan.
Give me a minute. I got you. LT, I got you. Narcan administered. Want another one? Ready?
Yeah. No, I don't think you did it on uniform.
I did.
Okay. Okay.
2 doses of Narcan administered.
Okay.
Just leave it, leave it. You want me to sit you up?
No.
What do you need?
I'm good.